Hello guys, welcome to Fabric by Singhania. Today we're presenting to you a unique collection of fusion of Bandhni and Banarsi fabric, perfect to create a suit set or even a dupatta if you're going for any kind of nice traditional looks. Even for an Indo-Western look, you have the perfect inspo here. So let me show you. Now this red shade is perfect because of the color and it's the perfect Bandhni Banarsi you're looking for. You can create beautiful kurtas, suit sets and lehengas with this kind of fabric. If you take a look at the gold zari weaving, it's beautifully done across the fabric and you can see the yellow knots that have been done pretty, and it's in a yellow shade, so the yellow and red contrast looks really perfect. You can create nice anarkalis with this, you can create a nice wedding outfit. A beautiful veil for your wedding also would look very different and unique with this fabric. So as you can see, we've presented to you here our Bandhni Banarsi weave. This is perfect to create a suit set or a dupatta for yourself. These fabrics are new in our collection and exclusive. If you take a look at all of the work done on this, it's in beautiful jal kind of pattern with nice Bandhni knots that you see. Beautifully done in pink shade and gold zari weaving, which is just perfect. Now if you want to create a beautiful dupatta or you want to pair it off with a nice pink color suit set, it would look really perfect and gorgeous. Now this shade that you see here is a beautiful hot pink shade. This also is perfect if you want to create any kind of dupattas for a beautiful white color suit, or if you want to create a nice suit set with this fabric itself. Since it's a mix of Bandhni and Banarsi, it's the perfect fabric you're looking for and it's quite unique. You can create Indo-Western outfits with this too. You can take a look at all of this gold zari weaving, beautifully done with jal pattern and the yellow knots, perfect because the contrast is amazing. You can create nice outfits for puja occasions, for day outs, for any kind of festivals. It would look just perfect. Now this dark shade of blue that you see is a perfect Bandhni fabric to create any kind of suit set. As you see, the minimal design work that's been done on this is nice booty work, which is a nice light gold color, and you can take a look at all of this yellow color Bandhni work that's been done. It's perfect to create any kind of outfits you have in mind, be it an Indian wear, even for an Indo-Western look. If you want to create this into nice shirts, this fabric would look really perfect and beautiful on you. For a menswear kurta too, this Bandhni Banarsi would look very different and unique. Since this has minimal pattern work done on it, it would also look ideal. Now here we've got another shade of nice brown color. As you've seen all the vibrant shades, we've also got this really nice dark shades of Bandhni Banarsi, which would look perfect for any occasion. Especially this brown color with this yellow contrast of Bandhni looks really perfect. You can take a look at all of the Banarsi weaving also done on this. It's very nicely done and it's a nice gold zari work, so it looks perfectly contrasting with the brown shade and the yellow shade. Now you can create beautiful kurtas or blouse pieces or even a dupatta with this. It is ideal for any kind of Indian wear and suit sets too. Especially for any dupattas, it would look really different and unique on you. Now here you can see this nice teal shade. This also has a really beautiful combination. You can see that there are pink Bandhni knots and a little bit of violet Bandhni knots done across this fabric with nice gold zari weaving. Again, this Banarsi Bandhni is a great inspo to create a nice sari also if you're going for something different and unique. You can see how beautifully this has been done. If you just need to like flatten the surface to make a very beautiful and customized piece for yourself. Even for any Indo-Western looks, this kind of fabric would look perfect for a ghagra or a lehenga too. Now if you see this orange color Banarsi Bandhni, this also is perfect, but it's a little bit different from the others. You can see that it's got this nice booty work done in nice gold zari weaving, and it's perfect because it's a bit more minimal. You can create nice dupattas with this. A nice blouse piece also for your sari would look really perfect with this fabric. You can also look at all of the knots that have been tied in a nice dark pink shade, which makes it look very different and unique. Even if you wanted to create a nice kurta for a puja function, this kind of fabric would look very different and beautiful on you. Now this color that you see here is a nice bold and black shade, which is perfect to create any kind of menswear outfit too. If you want to stand out and you want to create something different and unique, this kind of gold zari would look perfect with this contrast of black. So the gold and black is perfect even if you want to create a blouse piece for a nice dark shade sari. Now if you see, you can take a look at all of this work that has been done, very pretty. And the knots that you see on this, it's very nice. It's in a yellow shade, so the yellow contrast and the black color makes it look very perfect and beautiful. If you stretch it out, you can see properly how the Bandhni has been knotted. It's beautifully done across the fabric and it looks very unique because of the mix of and the fusion of Bandhni and Banarsi. Now this next color we've selected is a bit more muted but a beautiful shade of yellow color. Now this yellow color looks really perfect because you can create amazing outfits with this for any kind of wedding occasions or puja functions. If you take a look at the knots too, it's beautifully done in nice red shade. So it looks really perfect and gorgeous. It has nice light gold zari weaving done, and you can take a look at all of the red bandhni with the yellow, which makes it look very different and unique. You can create a nice blouse piece with this. You can customize this into a kurta, into a dupatta, or any kind of Indian wear outfits would look perfect with this yellow shade of Bandhni Banarsi. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit like and comment for more details. Subscribe to our channel for more such videos, and if you want to follow us on our social media pages, it is Fabric by Singhanias. Now, if you want to know more about our customizations, you can visit our store at Banjara Hills, Road number 1.